This is an unboxing video of a Petrotec P1000 single hose 80 litre per minute commercial fuel dispenser in black colour. Comes with a ZVA slimline nozzle, ready to connect. Comes palletized, ready to roll. As for access to the hydraulics, turn the key, pull the panel off. In here you've got suction pump, belt drive, suction motor and the meter. Under here you've got the hydraulic connection, which is an oval flange, and also under the cap there's a 1.5 inch thread. So really easy to connect hydraulically up to your fuel line, just with a flexible connector or direct pipe straight into that thread or into that 2-bolt oval flange 1.5 inch. You also have here the electrical connections with cable glands ready to roll.